Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the QuietCool ES-3100 RF Energy Saver Advanced Whole House Fan with wireless control, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. I've been thinking, have you ever felt like you're stuck in a sweltering heat wave that just won't quit? You know, those hot sleepless nights where you wish there was a magic button to flip and suddenly the whole house is cool as a breeze? Well, today I'm here to tell you about a product that promises exactly that, the QuietCool ES-3100 RF Energy Saver Advanced Whole House Fan with wireless control. This fan is designed for small homes, up to 1541 square feet, and it's designed to make your life better. With its advanced ventilation cooling system, it can actually save you money on traditional cooling methods like air conditioning. That's right, this thing is not just a pretty face, it's a practical solution to one of the most frustrating problems of summer. So, what makes the QuietCool ES-3100 RF Energy Saver Advanced so special? Well, for starters, it moves a ton of air. We're talking up to 3081 CFM on high, which is crazy. That's like filling an entire small house with cool air in seconds. And when you switch to low, it still delivers, at a rate of 20 CFM. That means you can enjoy rapid cooling and ventilation without breaking the bank. But what really sets this fan apart is its energy efficiency. The motor uses an advanced ECM technology that's not only quiet but also extremely efficient. We're talking as little as 81 watts on low, which is basically invisible in your electricity bill. And when you're not using it, the damper box helps insulate your home from the attic, so you don't lose any of that hard-earned cash. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this thing really worth the hype? The answer is a resounding yes. With over 4.6 out of 5 stars and 144 reviews, it's clear that this fan has won over many homeowners who are struggling with hot summers and stuffy homes. And let me tell you, I can see why. In my experience with this fan, it's been a game changer. The setup was a breeze, just hang the motor head from your attic rafters and voila! The fan is ready to go. And when you flip that switch, you'll feel like you're sleeping on a cloud. It's like having your own personal air conditioner, but without the hefty price tag. Of course, no product is perfect, and I did have one minor complaint: the installation process can be a bit tricky if you're not careful. But overall, this fan has exceeded my expectations in every way. And with its 10-year warranty, you can trust that it's built to last. So, who should buy this fan? Anyone looking for a practical solution to hot summer nights and stuffy homes. It's perfect for homeowners who want to save money on their electricity bill without sacrificing comfort. And if you're already in the market for a new whole house fan, I'd highly recommend giving the QuietCool ES-3100 RF Energy Saver Advanced a try. In my opinion, this fan is a no-brainer. It's worth buying, hands down. So, if you're tired of sleeping on hot summer nights and want to wake up feeling refreshed and cool, look no further than the QuietCool ES-3100 RF Energy Saver Advanced Whole House Fan with wireless control. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.